Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The NFT Craze. So, dear friends, as you know, I always come a valuable project related to crypto token, NFT project, mining website, play ones, and a lot of more. So, dear friends, today I have bring another awesome crypto meme project that have a massive potential inside. So I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you buy it from the DigiFinex exchange, and you can hold it and later you can sell and make a lot of passive income. So don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are new on my YouTube channel, the NFT Craze, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, welcome to Kadea Coin. So dear friends, I have placed all official links in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here and join this amazing platform. So dear friends, here you can also buy Kadea as well as you can also earn money from mining. So here you also check that diamond original, no ICO, whole new platform. So here it is the Tips Coin project, and Tips are supporting this project, and here you also check out the direct link to the Coke Mine company as well. Now move on, and here we also check out about the Tips platform who are supporting this project. And dear fans, as you know, the Tips platform is a platform that applies Web 3.0 technology, allowing users to mine coins through free communications among themselves. So Kadea Coin is expected to become the main trading coin on the Tips platform in the futures as well. Here you can also writing and mining details. Check out that about on the Tips platform for Kadea coins as well. Now here you also check out the bulletin board, and the Kadea coins burning schedule is already mentioned here, as well as here you also check out the Kadea bulletin board function is currently under testing, and then you will check out the implementations as well. Here you also check out some images as well as I also recommended to all of you, so must be joined and subscribe. It's a YouTube channel to get more information about Kadea Tips World Coins, and you also find out the information for Kadea Coin and Tips project as well. Here you also check out about Kadea Tips Coins. So with Kadea blockchains and platform, so Tips platform complete the ecosystem of Kadea coins, as well as Tips coin is a reward based coin that moves in pair with KSP coins as well. Here you also visit their Twitter account and follow them to get latest news and update, as well as must be joined its Telegram to get latest news and updates as well. Now here we also check out the Kadea coins and Tips platform, and dear fans, through proven asset linkage, the Kadea coins maintain asset value. All assets of the Atom platform are disclosed through authorized documentations as well. Here you also check out that the Kadea coins are linked to asset services via Atom platform. The platform warranties are damaged a product provided by the foundations, as well as here you also check out get the high level of Adam's platform through Kadea stacking services. You will experience the high level of the platform services as well. Now here you also check the NFT of the Atom players is issued and purchased with Kadea coins. The DIE NFT is directly linked to the real object as well. Now here we also check out the Kadea payable function as well. So Kadea coins can be used for purchasing goods and services at the same exchange price on a various platforms, including the Tips platform, and Kadea coins holders will have important means to alleviate concerns about the coin's value decline. So the Kadea Foundation's plan to support the free exchange and valuable use of Kadea coins for coins holder through future integrations and more informations and platform as well. Here you also learn more tips about the Tips platform, user experience project, Kadea DeFi and Kadea NFT detail as well. Here is a whole new diamond Kadea and create multiple combination using personal eliminator widgets as well. Now here you also check, you can also check out their granted diamonds and interlinked blockchains, as well as NFT issuance buy with Kadea coins. Warranty and guarantee of the Atom platform ownership is granted by the platform. Here you also check out some services and labels, everything here you also check out. You also check out the Kadea coin information. So Queen initial name is Kadia and it is a Queen type of TRC20 blockchain's decimal number is 8, and here you also check out the total issues detail of the coins as well. Here you also check out the distributions detail like that. Here IEO as well as airdrop, marketing and ad, developers and foundation distributions as well. Now you also check out more information. Now if you come on the DigiFinex, it is recently here listed with USDT pair. You also check out its current price here as well as 24-hour high and low volume, as well as you can also analyze this price chart here as well. Now you can also move different variations of the time, and you can also check out that it is ready to make a bullish and it's the best time to invest in this project. But do your own research before investing in this project as well. Here you also buy and you can sell. It means you can secure and trusted exchange, and you can also make trade here as well. I also recommend it to all of you, so must be join its Telegram community to get latest news and updates, and as well as I also recommend it to all of you must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and updates as well. So this is an awesome project that have a massive national insight, and it can really help make a lot of passive income in future as well. I hope so you like this video. Share with your friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.